click on the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the latest update from this channel. Hello friends, today I am going to show you how you can bypass FRP lock on Motorola E6 Android 9 if you forgot your Gmail ID and password. You can see this mobile is FRP locked, and first of all you need to connect it with Wi-Fi, and now you can see it's asking for your previous Gmail ID, so we forgot it. How to solve it? Let's go. First of all, we need to change the language. I select the last one. I don't know which language is this, but you select it. Select OK. Then click on emergency call. Click 2 times here. Then pen. Then again click on pen. Then the name. Click here. You will find the world icon here, and long press on it, and then the last option, click here. Now click here, click here. Now just click over here. Now just OK from here, and you just go back, again go back to home screen. Now we need to change the language to English so we can understand the process. I need to change the language in English. Now click on emergency call, emergency information 2 times, click on pen, again edit information. Now click on name. Now again click here, and you will find the world icon here. Long press on it, and do the same process which we did before. I long press on it here, and language settings. Now click on add keyboard, click here, add keyboard. Now select any language which have arrow options. I select Albania, which have this arrow. Click here, and now click on 3 dots, help and feedback. Click here. Now click on first link about switch access to for Android, and it will let you go to YouTube. Click several times here and share it. I click on several times. Now share, again share, and it will let you go to YouTube. Swipe down, cancel it. Now click on accounts, settings, and then about, then Google privacy policy. Click here. Now you are in Google Chrome. Click next, no thanks. Now you are able to web search. So here we need to find Faisal FRP or FRP Faisal from faisalmobile.com. So I search FRP Faisal, and you will find the first link. Click here. Now it will let you go to my website. Here we need to scroll down, and we need to download Android 8.9 gam.apk. Close the ad, download it, continue, give permission, again allow, OK, and cancel it. Now just go back to website again, and we need to download frpbypass.apk. Now just click on it to download it, and it's starting download. Click OK. Now click on details, and it will let you go to download folder, and I fast forward it, so it's completed now. Click on Android 8.9 first to install it. Click here, install. Now it's installing. Wait for to finish the installation. Click done. Now click here done, and now install frpbypass.apk, and after installation we need to open it. Click on open. Click here to open it. Yes, now we need to sign in our Gmail ID. You can use your any of Gmail ID and password over here. So I am just giving my password and Gmail ID here. You can see it's my Gmail ID. Just click here and next. Then I give my password over here and then also click next. So our account is signing in and it's logged in. Now just write in the search bar android.com/find and click go.com/find and next. So here we need to give same Gmail ID and password here which we did before. So I am giving my Gmail ID here 202018. Click next, then give password. So it's done. So it will let you go to find my device page and you can see our mobile model is here, Motorola Moto E6. So you can see it's connecting with the device and it's working, and you can see it's connecting device. We need to secure device first. Click on secure device. Secure device. It will ask for recovery message and phone number. Just leave it, it's optional. Click on secure device. It will take a little bit time. Just refresh it. So I click on refresh. It's also connecting device. Sometime it takes time to ask for password, so you just make it refresh and then try again. Just wait a little bit. If it doesn't work for you, you need to again search it. So as you can see, I come back to search bar and android.com/find. Click again, find my device, and now come again here, and we just need to click on secure again. Secure device, click on it, and now it's asked for password. You give here any password, but you keep it remember because we need it afterwards. So I am giving here password 123456. Click again 123456. So it's very important, you can't change it again, just keep it remember. Now click on OK, and now we need to click on secure device. As you can see, click here, secure device, and now you can see our device is password protected. Click 123456 and OK, and it's working fine. We no need to security checkup, just dismiss this message. And now we need to erase our device. For that, just click on erase device and it will erase your device, all data. Click erase device and cancel. Click next, and it will ask for password again. You just give your Gmail ID's password over here. Click next, and it will let you erase your device. Click on erase. Yes, permanently erase. Click erase. Dismiss message. Your mobile will turn off and it will erase all your data again. Now our phone will restart, and when it finish, I come back to you. I make it fast forward so we can finish it fast. So here give your pin code which we set it before, 123456, and click next. So it will take a little bit time. As you can see, it's checking it. Now there is skip button. Skip it. Skip. Just a second. Then more accept. Then skip here again. Skip away. Now just click on OK, and it's almost done. It's just a few seconds and it will accept, and click agree and no thanks. Click on next. Yes, I am in. And now your phone is completely FRP bypassed. There is no lock at all, and you can use your mobile freely. So here is the complete guide. You can check the system. It's Moto E6 and it's Android 9. Hopefully you like the video. If you like the video, do subscribe, like and share. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.